Hi, good night. My name is Cristian Mantilla. I am pharmacy manager. I am from Monteria, but alive in Bogota. I am 25 years old. No, I do not practice any sport. But I white film and study industrial engineering. I am married. I lie with her. I like to listen to rock. I don't know watching TV. My wife is 25 years old. She is short. She has white skin. She has one green eye and the other brown. Her hair is blonde and very long. And she is the most beautiful woman in the world. She is very beautiful and very special. Bye.